Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you that how you can download and install the KMplayer on your PC. So let's get started. So first of all, what we have to do, simply we have to open our laptop, and after opening the laptop, what we need to do, as you can see, we have to search for the KM laptop. Simply we have to search for the KMplayer here. So I'm going to search for that. And as you can see, we have to press the enter. And after pressing the enter, as you can see, we have to click on this KMplayer download option. So let's click on this KMplayer download. And as you can see, now you will be able to see the option, the download here for Windows. So we have to click on this download for the Windows, and now we have to wait for a few seconds and the downloading process will be started here. Let's click on this free download again. So as you can see, after clicking on the link, you will be able to see the KMplayer for download here. As you can see, now this is for the Windows. So we have to click on this option, and after clicking on that, as you can see, now we have to click on the download for the KMplayer. So let's click on this, and the downloading process will be started. So we have to wait for a few seconds, and as you can see, let's click on the no here. We have to cut this here. I'm going to click on the cancel. As you can see, now we have to click on the start download, and after clicking on the start download, the KMplayer will be the downloading process of the KMplayer will be started. Now we have to wait for a few seconds, and after that you will be able to install this. So as you can see, now it's downloading. Now simply we have to go to the download section, and after going to the download section, as you can see, now it's downloaded here. So we have to click on this KMplayer, and after clicking on that, we have to click on the yes here, and after clicking on that, as you can see, now it will take a few seconds, and now we have to click on the OK here, and now as you can see, now it's downloading and it will be installed. So in this way you can download and install the KMplayer, and we have to hit the next again, and we have to click on the I agree, and we have to click on the next, and we have to click on the install, and it will be installed. So in this way you can download and install the KMplayer, and I hope you guys understand this video that how we can do that. So thank you for the watching, and see you in the next video.